today I'm going to show you my attempt of doing bubble braids. All you really need is rubber bands and an oil to seal your hair. Before we get to the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I already know I'm going to worry about the parting, but you know, this is my first attempt, so I'm just going to try my best. So I believe I'm going to start with the front first. And they say it's important to make sure it's in a box type of section. Like, that's good enough. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Hey y'all, so I did have a little technical difficulty, but I did get a head start on the bubble braids. Okay, we're getting there. After I add water, I make sure it's fully detangled, and then I add a little bit of my olive oil onto my hair, just like a drop, and then I'm about to start putting on the rubber bands. So when you put the first rubber band on, it has to be at the rim. And I wrap the rubber band around at least 3 times. Because I'm not trying to get it stuck in my hair. So, and then I add the next rubber band at least a few inches below it. So about like right here. And the process repeats. And I'll be back. Honest, I might keep this style in for a week since it's taken so long just to do it. So I hope this comes out really good. I really hope. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I'm kind of halfway done. As you can see, I mean, I don't know how the back is looking like because I'll be looking in the mirror. And some of the ends I might add an extra rubber band to, but I'm just gonna keep going. So far it has been 2 hours and I'm only on this side, but I'll be back. Okay guys, I have a quarter left. So now I'm on the last braid.
Hey guys, so now I'm done. This is the back and I actually really liked it. I think it was worth it, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.